Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing, you're going to swipe up and get to your settings. Now from your settings here, you're going to go to a general management or system, depending on your Android phone. So either system or general management. And once you get to that menu, you should see either a language or language and input option. You're going to tap on that. And once you tap on it, it's going to show you the current language that is selected. Keep in mind the language at the top will be used by default. So if an app doesn't support a language you selected, it will use basically the next language in the list. So we need to go ahead and add a language. And here it's going to give you a bunch of language. You can see all of this that are available. You can also search for it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select a language here. And when I do that, it's going to ask if I want to set it as default or if you want to keep it as a second language. So I'm going to set it as default, and now that becomes number one. If you ever wanted to move it around, you can also move 1 and 2 or swap their position by clicking and dragging them around like this. And then once you're ready, as you can see here, the language has changed. You can go back, and then from there on, we'll be able to go ahead and edit it. So if I want to change it back to this one, I can just select it, apply, and then edit, and then it will change the language as well. So that's how you can change a language on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.